EagleRidge Kitchen Remodeling in Sandy, Utah. Are you ready to transform your kitchen? At EagleRidge, we specialize in high-quality kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Sandy, Utah, serving zip codes 84070, 84091, 84092, 84093, and 84094. Whether you're looking for a complete kitchen makeover, a custom kitchen design, or expert renovation services, EagleRidge is your trusted partner. We are known for our craftsmanship, attention to detail, and commitment to customer satisfaction. Our services include kitchen remodeling and renovation. We specialize in kitchen upgrades that enhance both functionality and beauty. Custom kitchen design. Tailor your kitchen to your needs and style with our expert design services. Countertop installation. Choose from high-quality granite, quartz, marble, and other options to elevate your kitchen. Cabinetry and storage solutions. We offer custom cabinetry, cabinet refinishing, and built-in solutions for optimal storage. Flooring installation. Select from tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring options that suit your style and budget. Lighting and plumbing services. We install under-cabinet lighting, recessed lighting, and LED options to brighten your kitchen. Our plumbing services include sink, faucet, and appliance installations. Additionally, we offer complete kitchen remodeling packages, from demolition to final touches. Our expert team ensures that your vision becomes reality with quality materials, careful planning, and precise execution. Whether you're building a brand new kitchen, expanding your space with additions, or renovating your current kitchen, EagleRidge is here to guide you through every step of the process. Get started today with a free estimate by calling 801-784-1457. Let EagleRidge help make your dream kitchen a reality.